అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ప్రశాంతికి స్వాగతం. నేను మీ బృంద. హైదరాబాద్లో అద్భుతమైన చీరలను ఇష్టపడే వారి సంఖ్య ఎక్కువే. వారు అందరూ హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి ప్రశాంతి ఆన్లైన్లో మా వద్ద కొనుగోలు చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి చీరలు పైన మరి ప్రశాంతి పైన ఉన్న ప్రేమలు కనపరిస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి హైదరాబాద్లో చీరలు ప్రియులు అందరికీ మేము సుపరిచితులము. I just meant to say how lovely all the sari lovers of Hyderabad are. I have a very exciting information to share. We are opening our first store in Hyderabad, Telangana, right on Banjara Hills on 4th of July. Hyderabad store has been designed very exquisitely, packing a parade of our stunning collection. All the collections that you've seen in the videos are going to be there. Exotic medley of Kanjivarams, assortment of Banarasis, dazzling designer collection, a wide choice of cotton sarees, our signature silk cottons, a super catalogue of ready-mades, a great melange of casual and workwear collection, and a wide choice of fashion jewelry and much more. You name it, we have it. Hyderabad has given us a great deal of love and support. It's our time to give it back. We heartily welcome you all to visit our store and experience our service. It's on 4th of July, road number 1, Banjara Hills, right opposite to Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. See you all there. Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivarams. All these sarees are priced between 16,500 and it goes up to 35,000. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees in double and triple warp weaving. The zari used is 2 gram and 4 gram golden zari weaving. All these sarees are silk mark certified, very rich and classy and perfect bridal wear. These sarees have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the product page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. The first one for today is this classic bridal tissue Kanjivaram saree. Golden tissue body with very intricately woven silver zari floral pattern running throughout the body. Short and long traditional Korvai Kanjivaram borders in red on either sides. A tissue pallu, that's the pallu with zari woven pattern, and a tissue blouse in red, priced at 34,570. The next one is this lovely shade of purple with brocade weaving in Kanchipuram. Rich floral zari woven borders on either sides with contrast selvage in green on both sides of the saree. The body has got very pretty paisley antique zari woven brocade weaving running all over the saree. A rich self pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a contrast blouse in green, priced at 16,390. The next one is this very pretty tissue Kanjivaram in the color combination of green with purple. Contrast Korvai borders on either sides, short borders on both sides of the saree, with the body in green tissue with beautiful floral brocade weaving running all over the body. A contrast tissue pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in purple, priced at 32,990. The next one is this gorgeous tissue Kanjivaram with baby pink combination. The body is in golden tissue with beautiful floral brocade weaving with a touch of baby pink. Short and long traditional Kanjivaram borders on either sides. A contrast zari woven pallu in baby pink, that's the pallu, and a brocade blouse in baby pink, priced at 25,990. The next one is this beautiful shade of blue with peachish pink combination. Contrast zari and floral borders on either sides with very pretty peacock and floral brocade weaving running throughout the body. A contrast pallu in peachish pink, that's the pallu, and a matching zari brocade blouse, priced at 17,630. The next one is this traditional style lemon yellow with maroon combination. Contrast Korvai borders in traditional Kanjivaram style with bavanjis, elephants and peacock weaving on either sides. The body has got mild chakra buttas alternating throughout the body. A contrast rich zari woven pallu in maroon, that's the pallu, and a plain maroon blouse, priced at 22,990. The next one is the pink tissue Kanjivaram with contrast short Korvai borders on either sides. The body is in golden tissue with very pretty diamond pattern weaving in brocade zari with beautiful floral motifs running throughout the saree. A rich tissue pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching tissue blouse, priced at 20,060. The next one is this very classy color combination of light pastel green with teal, contrast rudrakshams and half diamond zari woven borders on either sides with beautiful and subtle brocade weaving in floral pattern running all over the body. A contrast rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in teal, priced at 17,630. The next one is this traditional color combination, green with maroon, contrast babanji borders with simple paisleys and rudrakshams woven on both sides of the sari. The body has got 1000 butta models, small buttas in floral pattern running all over the sari. A rich contrast zari woven pallu in maroon, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 29,950. The next one is this classic tissue Kanjivaram with baby pink and lavender combination. Short and long floral zari woven borders in baby pink on either sides with beautiful tissue body. On top of that, this has got some very pretty floral weaving in baby pink and lavender running all over the sari. A tissue pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and a tissue blouse in baby pink, priced at 21,550. Orange with green and pink, another gorgeous sari with contrast pink borders and floral pattern on either sides. A very unique sari with a band of green floral weaves in brocade weaving running towards the bottom part of the border. The body has got paisley zari brocade weaving, very rich, running all over the sari. A contrast rich zari woven pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a zari brocade blouse in pink, priced at 17,630. Baby pink with dark pink, another gorgeous sari with contrast rich zari woven borders on either sides, paisley motifs along with floral weaves running throughout the body, a contrast rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a brocade blouse in pink, priced at 17,630. The next one is this stunning bridal tissue Kanjivaram with short and long traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides. The body is in golden tissue with intricately woven floral pattern and contrast color threads running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu, and a tissue blouse, priced at 21,990. One more in tissue Kanjivaram, a lovely shade of green with contrast golden zari borders on either sides. This has got silver brocade weaving on top of green golden tissue, very different and unique, running all over the body. That's the pallu, tissue pallu with rich zari woven pattern and a matching tissue blouse, priced at 20,060. Peach with cream, the last one for today. Contrast rich zari woven borders on either sides with the body having beautiful paisley brocade weaving running throughout the sari. A rich contrast zari woven pallu in cream, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse with zari border, priced at 17,630. All these saris and many more unique designs have been uploaded in the website. Go ahead and shop for these classic bridal Kanjivarams at www.prashantisarees.com. Don't forget to join us for the grand opening of our Hyderabad store on 4th of July, Road number 1, Banjara Hills, right opposite to Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.